this out. This house caught on fire. Big time. Look at the siding. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, I love this trade, but sometimes you just have those days that are absolutely horrible. This one was in a crawl space, and I don't mind crawl spaces sometimes. Usually I'm in a crawl space maybe like twice a month. It's not very often, but very rarely am I in a crawl space that is this tall. I don't have another hand to, but like it's 2 feet tall, plus all the ductwork that we're taking out is about 10 inches tall. So that leaves you 14 inches of room to get under the ductwork and onto the other side. And then it's just horrible. You'll see, just wait. But anyways, I love this trade. Nothing's ever gonna stop me from loving this trade, even days like this. All right, today we're tearing out this furnace. This house caught on fire and it's gutted, completely gutted. Look how they did the return. I've never seen something like that. This furnace just looks goofy, but downflow furnace, they just flipped it, converted it. Anyways, you can do that, it's fine. They got the supply and the return going under here. Another day, another crawl space. Getting kind of annoying, whatever. We're gonna put a furnace back in it, shoot the supply up into the attic, which is gutted, and they're putting a new roof. We're just here today to take this out of the way. I swear, sometimes I like these jobs, and then sometimes this would have been fine if it wasn't a 2-foot crawl space, but whatever, I'll get over it. I'll stop crying about it and just do it. We got the old return here. A bunch of holes cut in the floor for no reason. I mean, there's no way that was ever a register. Why would you put a register right in front of the door? Random holes. Kind of a mess. But we're here to tear everything out. They were talking about saving. They were talking about saving either the return of the supply. Why would you save anything? This house caught on fire. I guarantee the insides of it is all nasty. Doesn't even look like the best return or supply setup to me anyways. Scrap it all, restart. That's that good stuff. There's no way we could save any of this. Oh, it just smells like death. Yeah, big time. Okay, we got that cut. Pull it out. Throw it off. And we're loose. Do some curls with this thing real quick. Do the stanky leg. The back is where it's at.
So bad. There's no point in doing it.
Well, we're gonna go sit in the truck and celebrate our victories.
Oh yeah, true.
We gotta take our union smoke break. even though we don't smoke, but we just, you know, we need a look at the furnace panel. Let's get active, boys and girls. Oh, wait, maybe I should bring some tools. I'll bring some tools in there with me. Might be a good idea. Let's go with that. And that. And this. Oh my God! Hey, how's it going in here? There is a big furnace in here.
I told you.
Massive. Wow.
Big old bastard.
Yeah, I wouldn't have taken that out either.
Nope, no shot.
Okay. Water's off to the house. That's good. Doesn't matter, but... Alright, let's do it. Yeah, it's the old evaporator coil. Little tiny slab. They just took it out.
Wow.
There's the drain.
Oh, shoot.
That's crazy tiny.
What am I doing?
Jesus. Oh wow, I didn't even see this over here.
Where you at?
At the back of the house?
Oh yeah.
I don't even want to stand in here. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Yep, started back here and got the back of the house. The roof needs a whole new roof. New trusses. This one was bad. For the record, it's 75 degrees out. We're wearing hoodies
Yeah.
because it's that dirty down there.
Watch.
Rather have that on the hoodie than ourselves. It's finally the last of it. Crush it up, throw in the dumpster, go home, shower, and then probably shower again. This is either gonna go really good or really bad. Oh yeah. Okay, so far so good. Everything's tied down on the truck somehow. We are about 15 miles away from town, so we're not doing 2 trips. Nothing's going anywhere. I don't know how we fit it all on here, but we did. So, and we're out of here. All right, guys, that does it for today's video. I cannot wait to go get in the shower. It is so, it's not even hot. It's really only 77 degrees, but we had to wear hoodies. We didn't have to, but we were wearing hoodies down there with our hoods up, so we didn't get dust all up under our clothes and under our shirts and in our, you know what I'm saying? Like, we just covered up. We should have been wearing masks, but we weren't, so it was just awful. I can't wait to get home. We passed 400 subscribers. Thank you. Let's go. I appreciate you guys. All right, make sure you like and subscribe. Peace.